Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, look, the sun is shining, it's smack bang in the middle of winter and the convertible roof is well and truly down. Can you live with a convertible roof down in the middle of winter? So before I drove a convertible, or before I owned a convertible, it would be winter time, couple of degrees, and you sit there thinking, look at that idiot driving around with their convertible in the middle of winter. However, since owning one, I've changed my opinion. I take back all those comments I ever said about slating people with convertibles in the middle of winter time. They're brilliant. Honestly, this is so much fun, just driving around with the roof down in the middle of winter. I mean, at the moment it's 4.5 degrees. You factor in a wind chill on top of that, you're probably looking around about, let's have a look, 0 degrees. Very scientific that. Put your hand out the window. Does it start freezing up straight away? Yes it does. It's 0 degrees. The heaters on the BMW are phenomenal. I've got the heat up full, I've got them facing at me, and I've got the temperature blowing out at a medium speed. So it's not blasting loads of air out towards me, it's just trickling out nicely. And the cocoon that you sit in with the Z4 is really nice. The windows are up, the wind deflector's in. I'm not having any issue of like ice cold air blasting down my neck. The one thing I would like to do though is actually try the Kai's heated clothing with the roof down. Pop the heated jacket on. See how I get on with the heated jacket driving the car. That would make it loads better. I wonder if there's any way I could try and hardwire the Kai's heated clothing into the Z4. Can you imagine that? I mean, don't get me wrong, you're going to be a complete and utter idiot. You're going to be driving around with the roof down when it works, gloves on, heated jacket on. However, let's face it, look at these motorcyclists here. It's the closest thing I'm going to get to be able to ride in the motorbike comfortably for a fair period of time. So I can ride a little bit at the moment. I'm not going to overdo it. So I took it out for a couple of hours yesterday, and guys, come on. People are just so oblivious to life around them. Just dawdling in the middle of a road with traffic, it really annoys me. You're in the road, look what's coming, get out of the road. People and cars don't mix. Anyway, rant over. So yeah, I could put all the heated Kai's clothing on, wire it in, that would be phenomenal. Or I could chuck the roof up, put the heating on and be absolutely fine. But let's face it, it's going to be a bit more fun, isn't it? So if anyone has put Kai's heated clothing on a car, leave a comment below, let me know, and I might have to do a video doing that. I mean, let's face it, 12 volts straight into the car, piggyback off of, maybe even just throw it straight onto the battery. Yeah, I'll give it a go. Let's find out. Anyway, so yeah, it's 4.5 degrees, factor in a wind chill on that, and the temperature drops a lot lower. But the convertible in the middle of winter with the roof down is very, very good. Now I can only talk for a BMW. I'm pretty sure I've never, no, I have sat in one other convertible car, and that was an XR3i Escort, the Ford Escort XR3i. That was blue. That was an old friend called Phil. We used to call him Old Man Phil. He was about 5 years older than us. This is going back to 2006, 2007. And yeah, he had a blue XR3i. And I went in that once. Just once. Sat in the back of it. It was a full car. Full car load. Sat in the back, and I loved it. I did love it, but it was so long ago. I mean, I know I loved it. I remember that, but that's all I can remember. I don't remember anything else. Really, it was a long time ago. But the BMW convertible in winter, with the roof down, on a nice sunny day, yeah, easy, all day long. Get the roof down, get out and enjoy it. Bit of a ramble, bit of a weird video, but why not? Why not? Let's just give it a go. So guys, thank you for watching this bizarre video. I'm not just throwing content out there for the sake of throwing content out there. There was a reason behind it. Hope you like it. Give me a comment below. Let me know what direction you want the Z4 content to go in. Until next time, I'll see you soon.